us. Well, what? I suck. Well, you're in trouble. I hope. You suck. You're in the red. Oh, yeah, zooming in. Yeah, that was cut off. Stop. Complete stop. Complete stop. Complete asshole. Go, go, go. Fuck. Stop. There's a fucking tanker truck coming, for Christ's sakes. So your turd. Ran the red light. Ran the red. What are you doing? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Masshole. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. You didn't get. Pay attention, please. Thank you. Don't hit me. Thank you. Yes, stop, you douche. It is prick. Oh. Thank you. Left from the straight only lane. What are you doing? You exit diving? Yes, you are. Christ loves you. Jesus Christ loves you. Jesus Christ should teach you how to drive. You want to get off his ass, for Christ's sakes? Jesus Christ. Take a hint. See the brake lights? It's a hint for you.
Turn right.
Hello? That's not legal. And of course you don't stop. Now you're tailgating that one, okay. Yeah. Yep, there you go again. Okay. What a fucking asshole. Want to make up your mind? Okay, go that way. Hello. Next up. You just ran the red light. Ran the red. Ran the red. Fudge. It's about to turn red, I know it. And there you go. Fuck it. Don't run that. You're ran that. Okay, yep. Thread the needle. Hey, you had a red. Ah, that was a cutoff. That was a trail turd. Hello, 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 hello. Accelerate, you dumbass. Stop. What the hell was that? Ran the red. Guess you didn't like your coffee, huh? Left turn regret. Ah, that was not a stop at all. Ah. Hey, yeah, put your blinker on now. Cut him off. Asshole. Oh, how about bimbo? Thank you. Get down the phone, bimbo. Thank you. Don't run the red. You very ran the red. I think you just ran the red light. Yeah, you did. Yay! And a brake check? What the fuck is wrong with you? That was a cutoff. And you didn't stop at the stop sign. Yikes! Yeah. Yeah. Christ sake.